Is dropshipping finally dead in 2025? Is there still a way to make serious money? A few years ago, people were making thousands overnight, running simple ads and selling random products from AliExpress. But today, the game is completely changed. Ads are expensive, customers are smarter, and competition is tougher than ever. So does that mean dropshipping is over? In this video, I'll breaking down the truth about dropshipping in 2025. What's working, what's not, and how you can still make money if you do it the right way. And here is the big question is, can we start dropshipping with zero money in 2025? And I'll show you 5 trending product niches. So stick around till the end because I'll reveal the strategy that lets you launch your story without spending a dollar. What's changed in 2025? Alright, let's be real. Dropshipping in 2025 is not the same it was 5 years ago. Here's what's changed. Facebook and TikTok's ads are way more expensive. If you're not carefully, you will burn through your budget before making a single sale. Customer expect fast shipping. Back in the way, people didn't mind waiting 3-4 weeks for a product. Now, they will cancel the order if it takes more than 5 days. Competition is at an all-time high. Thousands of people are selling the same product, make it harder to stand out. Does that mean dropshipping is over? Not exactly, but it does mean you need a new strategy. What's working in 2025? So if the old ways don't work anymore, what's actually making people money is dropshipping this year. Sell unique and problem-solving products. The biggest mistake people make is selling random, low-quality products that don't solve a real problem. Instead of selling cheap phone cases or generic gadgets, focus on products that actually improve people's lives. So now I'm gonna show you some trending product niches. If you use, you can automatically cut traffic. Trending niches in 2025. Number 1, AI and smart gadget, health and wellness, home improvement, pet accessories. These are so trending in 2025. So you should think about your product that make people say, wow, I need this. Use private suppliers, not AliExpress. AliExpress shipping times are painfully slow. If you want happy customers, you need a better supplier, better alternatives. GenDrop, faster shipping and better quality. CZ Dropshipping, US and EU warehouses. AutoDS, automated order fulfillment. Yes, AliExpress is cheap, but first shipping equal more sales and repeat customers. Organic traffic, paid ads. Most people think you need Facebook or TikTok ads to make money with dropshipping. But what if I told you that you can get thousands of sales without spending a single dollar on ads? The new trend, viral videos. People are using TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts to go viral and drive free traffic to their stores. Here's some quick strategies. Find a trending product on TikTok, search TikTok made me buy it. Order a simple and film 3 to 5 short videos per day. Post them on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. One viral video can bring in $1,000 without a single ad. The big question is, can you start dropshipping with no money? The answer is yes. But it's not easy. You have to maintain your consistency, patience. If you don't have money for ads, you will need to be creative with organic marketing. Step by step, plan to start for free. Pick a winning product, use TikTok or Amazon to see what's trending. Create a free Shopify or WooCommerce store. Use the free trial. Order the product and create high quality videos. Post short videos daily on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. If one of your videos blows up, you can make your first sales without spending anything on ads. So now I'm going to show you my bonus tips for especially you. What mistake to avoid in 2025? Well, biggest mistake new dropshippers make: selling low quality products that get bad reviews. Ignoring customer services. Bad reviews will kill your store. Depending only on ads. Use free traffic too. Solution: build a long-term brand, not just a quick money-making store. Is dropshipping still worth it? Is dropshipping still profitable in 2025? The short answer is yes, but only if you do it differently. Gone are the days of easy money. But if you sell the right products, use first suppliers, and master free traffic, dropshipping can still be one of the best ways to make money online. Want me to make a full tutorial on setting up a profitable dropshipping store? let me know in the comments below. And kindly subscribe my channel because I need some subscriber for my monetizations. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more finance and business tips. See you in the next one.